Rishabh sir, actually, due to casualties by TFU, I wasn't able to join the previous class.
Okay.
So all the things were missed. But after watching recordings, I was able to add my requirements to the Python. But after that, this class started. So the process is still not complete. What should I do next?
Okay, you can follow this session. I'm going to do the same thing only. Okay. I'll be
Oh,
going to repeat this, like whatever we have done in the first session, I'll be going to repeat those things only for next 2, 3 days. Okay. Until you don't, like all of you are at the same page.
yeah.
You'll have should have created that project. You should have that one file, print hello. You should have all the requirements installed in your system. After that only that Asim sir session will start. So
Oh, okay.
until then I'll be going to do the same thing, the installation and all
Okay,
those
okay.
process.
Rishabh, will you explain installation both for Windows and Mac?
Yeah, I'll explain only. So both are same thing only, and like
Okay, then in that case it's okay because I have not attended previous class. So if we can
okay,
explain
okay.
today
I'll
for
be I'll be showing for both the.
okay,
I
okay.
think links
Also,
are there for uh, both Windows as well as
I don't know
Android.
for some reason I'm not able to access.
Yeah.
I am not getting any update and access. I will check with you
hello.
later.
Okay. I
Also, I
think
will.
PDFs are there. All those PDFs have been uploaded in your WhatsApp group. PDFs, text document, and
So I
one
am
doc
not
file.
I'm not receiving any pop up in the WhatsApp. However, it is joined.
Not now. You should have received earlier.
No, it is not there. There is one future university, and then there is no other WhatsApp group for this. Okay, I don't know why, but I can check you
Okay,
later.
however, I'll be sharing all those things here in Zoom chat also, so you can download from there. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So yes, we can start today's session. Okay. So first thing, uh, yes, I am sharing the PDF first. Okay. That PDF, this PDF. One second. Yes. So I've sent this PDF step-by-step procedure. Download this PDF from Zoom chat and try to follow this. Okay. I'm sharing the same PDF in my screen and I'll explain that part. Okay. Give me just 1 minute. Yeah. Yes. I think this should be visible. Yes. So we can start. So our agenda will be installation of Python IntelliJ, pip files, project creation, and resolving that one error, uh, import an error. Okay. So first we'll start with Python installation. So I think you would have downloaded this, right? PDF. It's PDF. I think you would have downloaded this PDF. And what to do now? Just go to this second. These are the basic system requirement you should have. Okay. If you want, like, if you are having this, if you are enrolled in this algo trading program, you should have this basic system requirement. Then only you will be able to follow all the process seamlessly. Okay. So you should have this good Wi-Fi network first. Okay. Operating system, if you are using Windows, you should have Windows 8 or later version. Or if you are using Mac OS, you should have 10.9 or later version. Okay. No mobile, tablet, iPad uh, can be supported, like can be used for algo trading. Okay. You can't use mobile tablets or iPads. You should have proper laptop or PC. Okay. So the thing is, you have to download the Python, but make sure you are downloading this Python version. Okay. 3.10.9, you should have this version only. Okay. If you are using any other version of Python, there is no issue with that. Just download this also. Okay. While creating your project, you can assign this as your interpreter. We'll be assigning this Python 3.10.9 as our system interpreter. So if you are using other Python version also, Python version also, so there is nothing to worry. Okay. Yeah. So first thing you have to download this Python 3.10.9. For downloading this, if you are using Windows, use this first link. If you are using macOS, use this second link. Okay. Yeah. Uh, for me, I'm using Windows, right? So I'll be clicking on this first link, and it will start the download of Python 3.10.9. Okay, I'll show you. Yes, you can see it has started and it has downloaded. Okay, for me, I'm deleting this one. Okay, because I've already there in my system. Next thing, you can first, I'll show you the installation process. Before that, just go to the fourth page. This fourth page. Okay, in this fourth page, there is link for downloading IntelliJ. Okay, for Windows user, you can use this first link. For Mac OS user with Intel processor, you can use this second link. If you are using M1 or M2 uh, Mac OS, you can use this third link. Okay. So as I'm using Windows, so I'll be clicking on this first link and I'll start my download for Intel. Yeah, you can see it has started, right? So for me, I'm canceling this. Okay. But you have to download this Python as well as this IntelliJ. Okay. Now I'll show the installation process because this is 600, 700 MB setup is there now. So until it is getting downloaded in your system, we can move forward with installation of Python. Okay. So yes, Python installation. What you have to do, just go to your downloads folder of your system. Okay. There you will find this Python 3.10.9, the setup file. Okay. Setup file for your Python. Go to your downloads folder. You will find this Python 3.10.9. Click on it. Okay. As you will click on it, double click on it, you will get to see like this type of UI. Okay. This type of pop-up will appear. Here, what you have to do, you must select this checkbox, add python.exe to path. It will show you at this bottom. Okay, if this option is also visible, now you just click on it. This will be visible only if you are using another user. Okay, if you are using multiple user in your system and you are not logged in with your admin account, then only you will be seeing this option. Okay, if you are using the single user in your system, it won't be visible for you. Okay. So click on both of this if this is visible, or you must click on this. Okay, add python.exe to path. Okay. After clicking on it, you have to click on this install now. You have to click on this install now. It will start installation and it will take hardly 1 minute or 2 minutes. After that, it will get installed in your system. One option may appear here, disable path length limit. If it appears, just click on it, disable path length limit. Okay, disable path length limit. This kind of option can be visible here. If it is visible, just click on it and then it will ask for yes or no. There you have to press yes. Okay, there you have to press yes. After this, you can click on close. Okay, I think this is very simple. You can install it very easily. The Python and IDLE. Okay, so until when we were installing this Python, they should be downloaded. Okay, I'm waiting for another 1 minute. If you are stuck anywhere, like you would have clicked on this link and it is still downloading. I'm giving you 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Or if you have not installed this Python, just install this. I'm repeating this step, installing Python installation step. Okay. What you have to do, you have to click on this on this setup file, which will be available in your downloads folder. Okay. After double clicking on it, you will see two options like this. Here you have to click add python.exe to path. Okay. You will, as you will click on this, uh, yeah, after clicking on this, you can click on install now. This install now. After clicking on install now, it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. It will get installed in your system. After that, it may ask here for disable path length limit. There you can click on that disable path length limit. After that, it will ask for yes or no. There you can click yes. After clicking on yes, just simply click on this close. Okay. So now you have installed your Python. You have downloaded Python. You have installed Python. You have downloaded IntelliJ. Now I'll be showing you how to install IntelliJ. Okay. Yes. So we can move forward. Yeah. I think 2 minutes are over. Now I'll move with installation of IntelliJ. Okay. So for installing IntelliJ, again you have to go to your downloads folder in your system. There you will see ideal C dash. There you can see 2025 point something. Okay, this is older version actually. That's why it is showing 2023. But for you, it may show like ideal C dash 2025 point something. Okay, for the newer version. Okay, this is for older version. That's why it is showing like this. Now moving to the next. Yeah, as you will find this in your downloads folder, double click on it. You just have to simply click on next. Okay, everywhere you have to click on next. But at this part, you have to click on all the check boxes. Okay, please make sure you have clicked on all the check boxes. Okay, or else you have to just double click on this setup. After this, you have to click on next. Then again next. Nothing to change anything. Here you have to click on all the checkboxes. Okay, you must click on all the checkboxes. Then click on next, install. Okay, it will take time. It can take more than 2 minutes. Okay, so let it install. After the installation of IntelliJ, it may ask like this. You no need to reboot now. Just uh, click on finish. Okay, just click here. I want to manually reboot later, and then click on finish. Okay. See, we can use any version of IntelliJ, but for Python, we must use Python 3.10.9 only. Okay, we can use any version of IntelliJ, but for Python, we have to use only Python. For Python, we have to use only Python 3.10.9. We can use any version of IntelliJ. Okay, yes. So let it install. After the installation of IntelliJ, we'll move with project creation. Okay. From PDF, just don't follow PDF for project creation. Okay. Because this is from the older version, older UI. So it can be different from what it is in actual in your 2025 version. Okay. So don't follow from here for creating this project. Yes. But this, yeah, first this like at the starting when you will click on that open in when you will click on IntelliJ, which will be available in your desktop. Okay, it will ask for import settings. Okay, import settings or backup data, something like that. It will ask for importing things. There you can click skip import. Okay, it won't show like this. Okay, there can be some different UI, but it will ask for import data. There you have to choose skip import. Okay, then you have to, uh, it may ask for agree to agreement. You have to agree your agreement. And one more thing, it may ask for sending your data. So there you have to click don't send anonymous data or optional data, whatever the data it may be asking. So you have to select these three options. Skip import first. Whenever you will click on the IntelliJ, which will be available in your desktop after the installation of IntelliJ, there it will ask for skip import or importing your data. There you have to choose skip import. Okay. After that, it may ask for agree to agreement. There you have to agree your there also you have to agree to your agreement. Okay, and then it may ask for sending your data. You have to click on don't send data, don't send anonymous data, don't send optional data, something like that. Anything can be asked there. Okay. So I'm giving you some 2 minutes. Just complete till here. Okay. Installation of IntelliJ, like this basic setup whenever you will open your IntelliJ, just complete till this part. Then we'll move with installation of plugins, project creation. Okay. So yes, I'm giving you 2 minutes. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Yes. So we can move forward. Yeah. So we have installed everything. We have done our basic setup of IntelliJ. Yeah. So what you have to we have to install plugins then. Okay. After clicking on skip import, agree to your agreement, don't not sending your data. After this, it will look like this. Okay. IntelliJ ID, welcome to IntelliJ ID. It will look like this. Here you have to click on this plugins part. This plugins. You will click on this plugins. After clicking on plugins, a search bar will appear here. Here you have to search for Python. There you will see two Python versions. Okay, this is the ultimate version. This is the community edition. Okay, so you have to install this community edition, Python community edition. You have to click on this Python community. You have to click on install of this Python community edition. Okay, like this. You have to click here. After clicking here, after the installation, it will take 1 minute for the installation of this plugin, Python plugin. Then it will ask for restart ID. You have to click on this restart ID. Okay, as you will click on this restart ID, it will restart. Uh, Sometime it doesn't get open by itself. Okay, so what you have to do after clicking on restart ID, if it doesn't get open by itself, after 2 minutes, click on it, IntelliJ, which is available at your desktop. Okay, so you have to click there. You have to open it again, and then we'll make our project. Okay, so I'm setting up in my system. I'll share my IntelliJ screen there for project creation part, because here in the PDF for creating the project, it is bit different UI from what it is in actual 2025 version. So I'll share my screen and show you how to create a project. Okay, so just complete your process till here. Restart IDE. Okay, I'm explaining this again. Okay, you have to put your plugins, this plugins. And these plugins, the search bar will appear here. You have to search for Python. The second option, Python Community Edition, you have to click on install. Okay, as you will click on install, after the installation, it will ask for restart ID. You have to click on restart ID. In next 2 minutes, it will get installed and it will restart your IntelliJ. If it doesn't get restart by itself, you can go to the desktop and click on IntelliJ. Okay, and you can forcefully open it again, your IntelliJ. Okay, so so install this plugins and restart this IntelliJ. I'm setting up this IntelliJ in my system. There I'll be sharing my screen of IntelliJ and I will show you how to do that, the further process. Yes, I think this screen should be visible, right? So I've shown you, you have to install this plugins. Here you have to go to this plugins, you have to search for Python here. There you have to install the second Python Community Edition. For me, it has installed already. Okay. So after the installation of this Python Community Edition, come back to this projects. After the restart of IDE, come back to this projects. Here we'll be creating our new project. Okay. So for creating the new project, you have to just click here on the new project. Okay. Then we'll select some of these settings manually. Okay. So what are the settings? Yes. So yeah, first we have to select this language first. Okay. So you have to select this Python first. Select this Python here as a new project. Then give name to your Python project. Suppose I am giving Python. Okay. I am giving the name as Python for my new project. Okay. Then uh, like for choosing your location, actually we have the browse option at the end of this bar. Okay. So for going to that, you have to scroll this. So scroll it here. You will get this browse option. Okay. So click on this browse option. There you have to select this second icon, desktop directory. Okay. You will select this desktop directory and will click on OK. Now come back to this. You will see location is desktop. Okay. I have selected my name, selected this location. Before this, we have selected this language. Now we have to select this environment. For some user, like not for some user, for all of you, after this project creation, okay, if you are creating, suppose if you are creating another 2 3 project, after creating this project, if you are going to create another project, okay, there you may go to this existing and then you will directly select this interpreter Python 3.10. But now currently if you are doing this now, you may not get this option Python 3.10 here, okay, in your existing. Okay. But after the after this project, if you want to create other further projects, okay, so while creating those projects you can directly choose this Python 3.10. For now, just we are what we are doing, we are just creating our project in virtual environment. This environment type, you can say this is virtual environment. Okay. So for now we are creating our project in virtual environment. After the project creation, we'll change our interpreter to system interpreter manually. Actually, this is your system interpreter, Python 3.10. Okay, but it is not available here. So for now, you have to select this virtual environment only. Okay, for now, you have to select this only. After selecting this, just you have to click on both of these check boxes. Click on both of the check boxes and click on create. So it will be visible like this. It will show you like this. Okay. Is it visible? Is my screen visible? Okay. So when you will click on that create, it will show you like this. Okay. Here, what you have to do, here just go to this setting. As I've told you earlier, we have created our project in virtual environment, right? So what we have to do, we have to change our interpreter. So for changing our interpreter, go to this setting. This setting icon, this gearbox icon is there at the top right corner. Click on it. Here you will see this project structure as your option. Click on it. Okay. So it will open like this. You can see sdks.vnv. This is virtual environment. We need to change this, and this is for project only. So we are changing SDK for project. Okay. So what we need system interpreter for stuff. So for changing it to system interpreter, click on this drop down. For me, you can see this is available here, but for you, it won't be available there. So what you have to do, you have to click on this add Python SDK from disk. Okay. Click on that drop down. After clicking on that drop down, you have to click on this add Python SDK from disk. Okay. Here in the now in the left panel, in this left panel, you can see this is system interpreter here, right? So you will be selecting the system interpreter. After selecting the system interpreter, it will show you like this interpreter. Okay. If you are having multiple version of Python, now you when you will click here in this drop down, you may say a different Python version. But for me, I am seeing this only Python 3.10 because I have only version I'm using here. Okay. So you have to select this only Python 3.10 here, and you will be clicking on it. Okay. Okay. So you will be clicking here only. Okay. I'm not clicking on it. If I will click, it will add second system interpreter for me because I have already there. So I'm selecting from here only. Okay. So as you will click on that, okay, it will show you like this Python 3.10.9. Okay. Now it will be visible here. Okay. For you also, it will be visible here. You can just simply click on this Python 3.10.9 and click on apply. At the bottom, you can see there is option apply. Click on this apply. Come to this modules. Again, in this modules, what you have to do, but we have to change this module SDK. Okay. Actually, this is sources and this is dependencies. You have to come to this dependencies. Okay. In modules, you have clicked here in modules, then you will click on this dependencies, and then you will see this module SDK. Now you can see at the drop down, this is available. So in the second option, Python 3.10.9 is available. So you will directly clicking on it and we'll click on this and then click on OK. We'll simply click on this OK. Yes. So when I'll go back to this project, we can see this. For project system interpreter Python 3.10.9 is selected, and for modules inside these dependencies, this is selected Python 3.10.9. Okay. Now the next thing, after setting up this system interpreter, we have to install our pip files. Okay. So I am sending one of the requirement text document. Okay. You have to copy that text document inside this Python folder. This Python folder will be visible at your desktop only because while creating the project, we have selected this as our location as the desktop. Okay. So Python folder will appear at your desktop. So find your Python folder at your desktop. Okay. I'm sending a requirement file in your Zoom chat. Okay. You have to copy that You have to download that requirement file and paste it in that Python folder. I am sending one requirement text file. Uh, yes, this is the text file. Okay, I have sent you a requirement text file in your Zoom chat. You can download that and copy that into your this folder, Python folder, this Python folder. Copy that requirement file in this Python folder. Okay, copy this to your Python folder. Wait, I'm copying my requirement file also. You can copy it and paste it in your folder from your desktop also, or you can paste from here also. So I am pasting it here directly. Okay. Don't change the name. I'm repeating this. Don't change the name. Okay. I have already given this requirements. Okay. Don't change the name. Simply click on OK. Correct. So you can see it is visible here, requirements.txt. You can copy there also. You can directly copy to the Python folder also. It will be visible here. Okay. It will be visible here. Yes, so next part is installation of this requirements. So for installing this pip files, go to this bottom third option, left corner. Bottom third option is terminal. This terminal. You have to click on this terminal. It will show you like this. Okay, just give 1 minute. Yeah. So this is terminal, and here we'll be writing some one of this line here, pip install dash r requirements dot txt. Okay, type this in your terminal. Where is the terminal? Terminal is at the corner. Bottom third option is your terminal. Okay, in this terminal you have to type this pip install dash r requirements dot txt and press enter. So it will start the installation. For me, it is showing requirements already satisfied. Okay, because I have installed it already. That's why it is showing like this requirement already satisfied. For you, it will take time. Okay, it will download all those requirements file. After the download, it will start the installation. So it will take 2-3 minutes. Okay, it can take more than 2-3 minutes also. So uh, so yes, you can ignore this resolution impossible, this error. Okay, this is dependencies conflict only, so you can ignore this error. Okay, there is no issue with this. Okay, these are uh, yeah, conflicting because of that dependencies. Yeah, you can ignore this. It won't create any problem. So after the installation, we'll have to Oh, command. Okay, okay, okay. I'm typing that command in the chat box. Okay, just copy that. I have typed the command for installing your pip files. Okay, just copy this command pip install dash r space requirements.txt in your terminals. Okay, Snehal, you have to create your project in new environment with your virtual environment as your interpreter. Okay, then you have to change this manually. I have shown this in today's session. Okay, yeah, pip is not recognized. Okay, if you are using Mac, I'm repeating this again. If you are using Mac, you can use pip3 here at this line, na pip installed sr requirement.txt. Instead of using simple pip, you have to use pip3. If you are using Mac, you have to use pip3 space everything same. Okay, everything will be the same only. Just use pip3 instead of pip. Okay, pip3. Okay. If you are using Windows, then there is problem with the installation of your Python. You have not installed your Python correctly. Yes, so uh, don't worry if you get stuck anywhere. If you have issues with your system, don't worry, okay? After 2-3 session, I'll be taking your system and will resolve your error. Okay? So don't worry, we'll solve that error. But for now, I'm just continuing the whole step. I'm showing you all the processes. After 2-3 session, I'll be taking your system and resolving your error. Okay, whatever the error if you are getting now, no, don't worry. We'll resolve that. Okay, so will move forward. Next part is we have what we have done. We have installed Python. We have installed IntelliJ. We have installed this pip file. We have created our project. We have changed our interpreter to the system interpreter. Last thing we have to do, we have to remove that error, import an error. So for removing that error, just go to this Python first and this Python. Okay, right click on it, this Python. It will open a dialog box like this. Here, go to this new. Then it will again open another dialog box. Here you have to click on this Python file. Okay. Uh, okay, just click on it and give name to your Python file. Okay. Okay. Yes. So give name to your Python file. So for now, I'm giving Python file name as hello and press enter. You can see hello I've given and this file has been created here. Okay. This hello has been created inside this Python folder. Now, one thing that is the first coding statement which we will be using is print. Okay. This is the first statement we will learn. And what is the use of this? It shows you the message, whatever the message you pass inside this print statement, it will display. Okay. For now, I am just uh, passing hello world. Okay. Okay. So this is the way, actually, this is the way of typing this code print. So how to use this? I'm using small p. Okay, just make sure you are using small caps off. You have to do caps off and you have to type this print. After that, small brackets. Okay, inside this small bracket you have to uh, you can type anything inside this double quotes. I have given this double quotes and I have given this as my message, hello world. Okay. Now I'll be showing you how to run this. And after running this, we'll get to know this hello world. You will get to know about you will be able to see this message, hello world. Okay. So there are three, four ways of running this file actually. Okay. First way, this hello file. You can see this hello file, right? This in this hello file only we have done this coding, right? So what you have to do, you have to right click on this hello and just click on this run hello. It will run. Okay. Or you can what you can do, just right click on this text pad. This text pad area is there na? In this part you right click anywhere and you will see this run hello. Okay. So you can run from here also. And another way of running this is this triangle. You can see this current file is selected, right? In this current file, this triangle is there. You can select from here. You can click here also. It will run your hello. Or you can click on here also. It is selected there na. This file is selected. So you can directly click here in this triangle and it will run. Now I have clicked this. You can see this is the error. Sorry, this is the message. Hello world. Okay. So whatever we will pass inside this double quotes, it will show. Now moving to the next part, we'll remove that error. Import import pandas underscore TA will be using this and we'll remove that nan error. Okay. Module not found. But actually this after some of after few days when you will come to this coding part now that strategy part, you will get to know one of this error. I'm showing you, wait. Actually, this is the library pandas underscore TA, which we will be using in our strategy file or options file, whatever the file out there. We'll be using this. And while we run, when we will run that, we'll get this error. So better we can remove this error now. Okay. So for removing that error, type this text, import pandas underscore TA and run this. Uh, 1 second, I think for me, I have resolved this. That's why it is not showing. Give me 1 minute. Yes. So when you will run this pandas import pandas underscore ta, it will show you error. Okay, and error will be like this. It will show, yeah, this is the error. Okay, this kind of error you will show. You will see when you will run this import pandas underscore ta. So how to remove this error? Okay. One more thing I have to tell you. At the end of this line, na, you will see this process finish with exit code 1. Okay. This exit code 1 shows you that there is error in your file. Okay. If it shows you process finish with exit code 0, it means there is no error. When I have ran this print hello world, it has shown process finished with exit code 0. You can see I am removing this and I am running this. See, process finished with exit code 0 because there is no error in this code now. But when I will run this import pandas underscore ta, and it shows process finished with exit code 1, it means there is error, and the error is this. Okay, this is the error. So for removing this error, just follow my steps. You have to click on this last line. I am sending the doc file also. Wait, I am sending one of the doc file in your Zoom chat. Okay, there you can follow that doc file to remove this error. Okay, I have created one doc file. You can follow that actually, and you can resolve this error. Yes, I have sent. Okay. So you can try to follow from that doc file also. I'm explaining that part actually. Okay. What you have to do, just listen. Okay. Don't try to follow from this. Okay. Just listen. First listen this. Then follow the doc file. Okay. You will easily get to know. There are 2, 3 steps. You can make a note of it. Okay. Just try to make a note of it. 3, 4 steps are there. Okay, so just try to get to know like what are the steps first, okay? And then when you are doing that part, na, just follow that doc file, okay? For doing that. For now, just follow this video and see how I am doing this, okay? So what you have to do, you have to click on this last line. Okay, this last line there is mentioned is quizpro.py. Okay, you have to click on this. It will open a file, this Squeeze profile. You can see this is Squeeze profile. When I have clicked this Squeeze pro.py, it has opened with this Squeeze profile. Okay. Here, what you have to do, you have to edit this first line. This first line is there, na? From numpy import nan as np nan. You have to delete this. When you will click on backspace, na, it will show you like this non-project file protection. You have to click on OK. Then only you will be able to edit this file. Okay. So after removing this first line, you have to type here import numpy as np. Okay. You have to type this in your this first line. Remove that first line and type this import numpy as np. Okay. First step. Second step is pressing Control plus F. If you're using Windows, press Control plus F. If you're using Mac, press Command plus F. Okay, so that it will open a find bar. It will open a find bar. Here you have to type np nan. Okay, then this is the second step. Okay, In the second step, you have pressed Control plus F, or for Mac user, you have pressed Command plus F. Then you have to press Control plus R. It will open another bar, replace bar. Okay. For Windows, you can press Control plus R. If you're using Mac, you can use Command plus R. Okay. And here you have to type np.nan. Okay. I'm repeating this. Here I have typed npnan in the find bar, and in the replace bar, I have typed np.nan, and then click on replace all. So we have done from our part. Now go back to this hello file. This hello file we have now. Just click on this hello file. You will get back to this file, and when you will run this, you won't get that error. See, process finished with exit code 0. So you won't see that error again. Okay. So yes, so till today, we have installed our Python, installed our IntelliJ, installed pip files, created our project. We have changed our interpreter, system interpreter. We have resolved this error, import an error. We have learned this statement, print statement, hello world. Okay. So yeah, this was it for today. If you have any error or any issue, if you got stuck anywhere, don't worry, we have our further handholding session. There I'll be taking your screen. Okay. After one or two session, I'll be taking your screen and resolving that error in your system. Okay. Whatever the error is there, I'll fix that error. Okay. So yeah. So if you have any error, no issue. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Yes. So I'm ending this session here only. Okay. We'll meet again in next handholding session. Till then, bye bye. Have a good night.